Oh, that was a long one. Alright, babies. I've got a couple of babies down there still eating. I'll put it on the carpet. Last little feed. You see any? I don't know if you can see a baby down there. Oh, there you go. You can see some. A couple of pigeons and one galah, I think. The other babies decided to have a bath. Hey? Yeah? Hey, you have a bath and then go do your thing. You know what humans would say? They would say, you're crazy being on that wire. Alright. But what will be, wouldn't it? Yeah! So you take a chance. Hopefully it dies down a bit. Then gonna have something to eat again. It hammered. And they're like, they got up from eating and went there. Some left. Oh, there goes a Pidgey. Oh, with your puppies! And yeah, I was doing a little bit of tidying up, as you can see. I put some, what they call, forget the name of it, I can look it up. They like water, the weed water plant, weed. I put along there that you see around dams and stuff, and a little bit on this side. But I fucked out from around the corner here. Oh, I left the catcher out. And I've cleaned up and leveled across here again. I'll put some more grass over here, as you can see. But the rain has turned up, and I've mowed. And I still wanted to just trim around the edges here, but didn't get time. Hey, babies! There's your Dunkin' bath. We just dunk in the air. Yeah. Hey, your baby's cooties. Best time to have a clean. Couple of pigeons, yeah, the pigeons sitting there in the middle. They stay there, rain, night. Well, not at night, they go to bed, but during the day, yeah, first thing in the morning, and then till late. No babies, love, having a shower. Oh yeah, big flash, wasn't it? Flash a little scary. Now, as you can see, there's a little island in there in the middle. So I need to raise it a bit more. I still got to put a little bit more gravel around there when I go to put the pavers and tiles, you can call it. Here comes some more rain. See ya. See ya. Had a bath. Now it's time to go home. We're going home. Stay in this tree. A bit of a bat baby over there for a second. And they're gonna go home too. Yeah. I wonder if they learnt that bat baby trick from our babies, or that our babies learnt it from them. But I've been noticing it's been happening a lot more. Maybe because I look at them more often. What do you reckon, people, about the birds being bat babies? Oh well, they're all gone now. Bye bye everybody. See ya. And in that middle part there, I'm going to put sand. That's what I've left to go.